Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here, and as you guys can see, I am not at my home in my little studio space. As I glow closer to 30, I just feel like short hair, bobbed hair is my jam right now, okay? If you guys are interested in seeing me get this hair together so you can see how I can go from bonnet to beautiful in 20 minutes or less, go ahead and just keep watching. But how are y'all doing? How has it been going? I recently uploaded a Halloween tutorial. Got these really cute face masks from Walmart. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Halloween video because it was cute, girl. I liked it. I was on Kelly Rowland's Instagram and she had a picture of like some wavy hair and I was like, ooh, I could do wavy hair with crimps. Because I'm like a beauty on a budget, y'all, I like to like make hairstyles out of one. I started out with the straight bob, which you guys seen a few videos ago when I was talking about that black owned beauty brand, OMG Cosmetics. Okay, this is that same hair. All I've been doing to it is crimping it. I recently told you guys that I just met 12,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm so grateful for it. I just thank you guys for, always supporting me. And I know I always say that all the time, but I genuinely mean it because you didn't have to subscribe. You don't have to watch. You don't have to let my videos click through and play. You don't have to, and you do it anyway, which I do appreciate. And for the few of you guys who always come back and you're constantly commenting, I literally know who you are and I appreciate you so much. And I've also met so many people that have literally became my friends here on YouTube. That's dope, okay? But yeah, y'all, what else is going on in the world? So what I like to do is take the crimps and then I like to hold it with my finger like that, go back over that last one you just did and go over it again. And you see I have this last little piece out, so I have to crimp this little piece literally, can you see me, 3 different times. So, and there's that piece. Is it there? Some pieces you do have to kind of like go back over. So I know you guys are probably wondering, Vanessa, where are you? But I go back and forth between Houston and Denver all the time. And I just visit my dad. Just recently went to a wedding that was super fun. My mom gave me this dress and I shopped and shopped trying to find a dress to kind of fit my size, And my mom was like, Vanessa, I got a dress you gonna like. And I didn't believe her. And I don't know why I didn't believe her, because mamas know best. Girl, I went over there, I put that dress on. It had my legs showing just like I like. Didn't have any cleavage too out. And it wasn't too form-fitting, but it did kind of cinch the waist a little bit, so it made me look snatched, okay? So my little gutty buddy wasn't showing too much. And that is what I love, because then I was able to take a lot of full body pictures. We are going to go to STK tomorrow. It's like steak night and my dad is like so into steaks. Like, I don't really like meat right now. I don't know what it is, y'all. Like, as I'm turning closer to 30, I don't know if you guys can see me, but I don't like meat right now. It's the weirdest thing ever. Like, I used to be a chicken wing girl, okay? Like, I love chicken wings. But at one time, I was eating some fried chicken. It was like homemade fried chicken. And the chicken had hair on it, y'all. And in my 29 years of living, I have never seen hair on a chicken. So ever since then, I haven't been eating chicken. And then I already was like not eating ground beef. I feel like I'm chewing on a cow's stomach. I feel like I'm chewing on the guts of a pig. I feel like I'm biting on the legs of chickens. And that realization instantly made me stop eating meat. I don't know what happened, but I'm not gonna sit up here and act all sanctified, because I still eat a piece of fish, baked or seared real nice with some lemon zest on it. I feel like I could still do it. And I just started eating fish maybe like 7 years ago when I first graduated from college, literally. Let me know in the comments below if you are a person who doesn't like meat, or is it just me, Because sometimes I feel like it's just me. Look at these curls. They coming out, sis. I'm happy. But I told y'all it takes a while. So if you ain't got no time to sit down and do this or have somebody do it for you, It does take a little bit of time. One little last piece here, and I'm excited. Disregard me looking over here, because somebody told me, like, Vanessa, you're never looking in the camera. And it's because y'all, I be trying to make sure that I'm focused, my edges ain't showing, I'm still looking cute for y'all. I'm trying to get better at looking at you guys in the camera. Hey, how are you? Are you okay? I won't cut that out either, all right? Y'all see that up close? And notice I'm like curving the crimp to the front because I really want the crimps to really frame my face. And that's pretty much as good as I'm gonna get it for you guys. All right, so I got one side done. Hey. Since we're talking about a bunch of random stuff, last week I got in a little fender bender. I take full responsibility of it, gave the guy my information, all that cute stuff, and now he's claiming a bunch of injuries and he wants some money, so I'm a little frustrated. I just hate when people get over. Like, there was more damage to my car than it was to his car. In the world we live in now, everybody wants to kind of like get over on you. Do whatever they can to buck the system. It sucks. Sometimes when you try to do the right thing, you feel like you should have did the wrong thing, you know? I'm not gonna let that shift my energy as much as it has, but anyway, I'm almost done with the crimps. As you guys can see, I have like these little flyaways going on. Earlier I was in here just recording a video and a man walked by. He was a Caucasian man, by the way. He walks in and he's just like, hey, what are you doing? Like, are you obligated to tell people what you're doing? So I'm like, oh, I'm just recording a video. And he like sits back there in that chair and I'm like, can you leave? It was just weird, you know, how people think you're obligated to tell them things. I don't know. Maybe I'm just in a funk because my insurance just called me, but it kind of blew me away. And I just was like, yeah, if you don't want to be on camera, I suggest you move. It was crazy. Wherever you are, I hope you are enjoying your day. If you're like me and you've had like stuff kind of get in the way of your day, don't let it ruin your day. Just kind of figure it out, get things done, and continue to be happy, because I'm slowly realizing that happiness is a choice. You have to choose to be happy every day. I know I'm not the only one going through a tough time, but we continue to work, we continue to grind, we continue to figure it out, we continue to, you know, follow our dreams and things like that. I know I always say things like that, but that's just my way of wrapping it up. And they're kind of turning out better than I expected. And once you have crimped a bunch of your hair, it does get a lot easier, trust me. When you first start, you might burn yourself a few times, but it does work out. For a minute. I feel like I curled this side of my hair better than the other side. I'm so excited because I'm almost done. And like I said, I'll wear this for a few days. I guess you can call this a protective style, even though I feel like I'm putting a lot of heat on my leave out. I'm just not a person who wears wigs. I really do want to try a wig though, because so many women have grown their hair while wearing wigs. I definitely would love to try it out. That way, I could crimp a wig or something and then at nighttime just kind of like take it off. For some reason, that closure piece that's right here, it just looks too wiggy to me, and I don't know, I just concentrate on it a lot, and I don't know, it's a little different. But I feel like, you know, because I wear makeup often, it probably might be cute. Now I'm gonna take some of this Rave hairspray. This is the scented one. I like the scented one because it smells good. Doesn't really smell like hairspray, and it's cheap. I got it from the hair store, and it doesn't have like a super crazy hold, so your crimps won't be crunchy. Might put my fingers through it just a little bit. Okay, y'all. Thank you for, you know, tuning in. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of lip gloss. This is my OMG Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Nikki. This is the hoodie. It's so cute. It's white, and then it has like, I'll show you the back. It says like booklets on the back. So cute. Pair with like a red pant or something like that. Uploaded a fashion video a couple of videos ago where I have like the best pants for this. So this is me. Hoodie, cute hair, no makeup. Don't have anything on my face right now. I need some lotion. Thank you so much for watching and getting to the end of this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs it up. If you like talk through chit chat videos while I do my hair, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already to join the Vanessa Monet family. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments. Appreciate you guys for all your support, and I'll see you all in my next one. Mwah. Yes, I'm talking to you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe right here and go ahead and watch these 2 videos right here. All right, y'all. I'll let you go for real this time.